let's explore the Xero Dashboard. This is where you'll see your business at a glance and find quick access to the tools you'll use most. Come up to the top left and select Home to go to your dashboard. Across the top, you'll see Xero's main navigation bar, which is how you'll move between your dashboard, your business tools, and reporting. At the top of the dashboard, underneath the menu bar, you'll see a toggle that lets you switch between your own organization and the sample dashboard. Toggle this to enable the sample dashboard, and this can be helpful to take a look at early on, when you yourself have limited data in Xero. To customize your dashboard, scroll up, then click Edit Dashboard in the top right-hand corner. From here, if you scroll down, you can show or hide the widgets with these checkboxes here. And you can rearrange the widgets using these grab handles. When you're happy with your layout, click Save Changes. Along the top bar, next to your organization name, you'll see the main tabs: Home, Sales, Purchases, Reporting, Accounting, Tax, and Contacts. You'll click these to open the menus and then navigate to the section you want to go to. I'll go back home, and on the far right side of this top bar, you can click this plus icon to open the Create New menu. From here, you can quickly start new items, like an invoice, a bill, a contact, a quote, or purchase order. Or you can spend, receive, or transfer money. This menu gives you fast access to all the tools you'll use most, all straight from the dashboard. Next to the plus icon, click the star icon to open Jax, Xero's AI assistant. You can ask questions, search for settings or reports, and get quick links to the tools that you need, all without leaving the page. The magnifying glass button will open Search. You can search for contacts, transactions, and more within the system. The question mark button will open Help, where you can search for support articles or contact support, and then here are your notifications. If you decide to connect any apps later, they'll be found under here, and you can use this link to navigate to the Xero App Store.